Today gonna be a very cool video. That's why I'm here at this abandoned construction site and I have all this protection kit and this thing too. We'll explain you later. Let's start with a simple one. Just a small piece of sodium. Ready? And now I will flush a couple more pieces. That is why I need this stick. It was so unreal, but watch what will happen now. Oh man, that was so loud, but so beautiful in slow motion. Well, now I need to explain to my mom where our toilet has gone. Just look at this ceiling, as always. Guys, if you want more sodium videos, you know what to do. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.